Well, one of the most common questions we get asked is, hey, what kind of clouds are those? Well, it's time for this week's Anello Answers It, and that's exactly what we're going to cover. Now, we measure clouds in two ways, based on their height and based on the way they look. Let's talk about their height first. Our lower elevation clouds are below 7,000 feet in the atmosphere, and we work all the way up to our higher elevation clouds, which reach to about 40,000 feet. Now, there's three main cloud types, the first of which is called cirrus. These are at the highest elevation and they're thin and wispy. They look almost like you brushed them with a paintbrush. Now, our most common cloud type is called cumulus. These are those white, puffy cotton ball clouds that we see in the sky all the time that we're very familiar with. And lastly, we have our stratus clouds. Now, these are gray and they're also lower elevation, but we associate these clouds with words like overcast or dreary because they lay across the earth like a blanket and don't allow for much sun to come through. Well, then, of course, we add a few more to our mix and they get to show us the combinations. Our altostratus or altocumulus would be these same stratus and cumulus clouds, but just at a higher elevation. When things look similar like cirrocumulus, that's our cumulus clouds at a cirrus elevation. And then lastly, we introduce the word nimbus, and we add this to our cloud types when clouds produce rain. So our nimbostratus or cumulonimbus are our storm clouds. Of course, cumulonimbus being the most common that lead to thunderstorms, supercells, and even tornadoes. So there you go. Those are your cloud types. That's how you classify them and which ones you can expect rain to bring rain to North Alabama and Southern Tennessee. If you have any more weather questions, email them to me at gianello@waytv.com. And hey, we'll see you after the break. Stay with us.